Hello, I'm Preston Price, and I'm the instructor for Congregational Care and the course that will be in July, and looking forward to working with you as a student in that course. I'm new to all of this. I don't know a lot about making videos. You might be able to see that. But I'm also new to teaching this course. So I'll invite you to help me improve and be better. The syllabus is new, and so that will be something we'll experiment with, and I'll look forward to your feedback, especially if things aren't clear or if things seem muddled in some way. We certainly want to fix that and work together on that. And the second thing is just to let you know that this means that I'm a learner along with you. I'm going to figure out how to teach, but I'm also going to figure out how to listen to you and learn from you and your experiences. Let me tell you a little bit about who I am. I'll follow some of the syllabus by letting you know who I am by writing. I'll write something similar to what I'm asking you to write in terms of biographical information. But for now, know that I've been a pastor for more than 40 years in 7 different local churches under active appointment and in 3 interim churches that that I was asked to serve here in Northern Illinois Annual Conference. I served most of my career in California, 3 years in Hawaii, but most of the time in California in different kinds of churches and different situations, but nonetheless an opportunity to serve and be part of these congregations. So that's a little bit about me. I'm at home in Chicago. I live in the city, a little bit south of Evanston, but not far from the campus, so I can get back and forth as needed, and certainly can get help from people who are active and involved in the course of study program. So that's a little bit about me, and you'll get more later in writing. I want to tell you my prejudice. I have 2. The first prejudice is that experiential education is the best. Learning experientially, doing it, figuring out what the experience means and what that might mean for the future, that's the best way to learn, it seems to me, and that's my prejudice. It works for me. I hope it will for you. The second prejudice that I have is that collaborative learning is best. That is, that we are a team. We're going to work together. The answers that I don't have, I'm sure you will have. And we'll work together in all of the various possibilities and see what we can do together. So I hope you're ready for that, and hope that I can rise to the challenge and create the experience you're looking for in the coursework. This is a hybrid class. Many of you have probably taken a hybrid class, maybe last year or the year before, so you know about the 5 hours beforehand versus the 15 hours of class time when you get to campus. But it's an interesting opportunity, and it certainly lets you put more into into each year of study. So I'm glad for you about that. But it does mean that with the class schedule being 2 classes, one in the morning, one in the afternoon for that week, that you will not in any way have the opportunity to do what many students would do if they're taking a class. That is about 3 hours of work as a student for every hour that you're in class. Well, 3 hours of class time times 3 more hours means you don't have time for life during that week. And so we can't do that. So we have to do our version of paying it forward. That is, we have to study forward. We're going to find ways to work together to do the reading and the work before you get to campus. And then when you get to campus, you'll be able to review and participate fully in the community life as well as in the class. So that's the possibilities and what hopefully the syllabus will help you do in terms of the hybrid portion of the class, which will be the first 25 points, the 25%, and the rest of the course of study work, which will be your reading and work to prepare for the class time that we'll have together in July. So that's a little bit of an intro, a little bit of understanding about that, and we hope we can be together. I will, I'm sure, in writing, give you information, contact information for me, and ways to reach me. And if you have questions that are urgent or just kind of low-level wonderings, we'll find ways to be in touch with one another. So for now, again, welcome, and let's enjoy working together in this time that we have. Bye-bye.